2025 Honda Rebel 1100 is the perfect blend of cutting-edge technology and classic cruiser styling. Designed for riders who demand power, comfort, and versatility, this new model promises an unforgettable riding experience. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer to the world of motorcycles, the Rebel 1100 is ready to take you on an adventure. Today, we're diving deep into the features, performance, and innovations that make this cruiser stand out in 2025. Stay tuned to the MA Autos channel for more insights on this beast. Design and styling. Honda has stuck to the Rebel's roots with its minimalist yet aggressive design, making it an eye-catching ride on any road. The sleek, low-profile frame, combined with a minimalist approach to bodywork, enhances the Rebel's street fighter character. The matte finishes, bold color options, and signature LED lighting give the Rebel 1100 an unmistakable presence. Its modern design is built to impress, whether you're cruising the city streets or taking it on a longer journey. Powerful engine. At the heart of the 2025 Honda Rebel 1100 is the impressive 1,084 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine. This power plant delivers smooth and responsive performance with a wide power band that gives riders plenty of torque at both low and high RPMs. Whether you're zipping around town or tackling highway stretches, the Rebel 1100 offers a thrilling riding experience. The engine is paired with a 6-speed transmission for smooth shifting, giving you total control over your ride. Advanced technology. The Rebel 1100 is not just about looks and performance, it also brings a tech-forward approach to cruising. One of the standout features is Honda's new dual-clutch transmission DCT. This allows for a seamless shifting experience, giving you the option of automatic or manual shifting modes. Additionally, the Rebel 1100 is equipped with a 3-level adjustable traction control system, ensuring stability and confidence in a variety of conditions. Comfort and handling. The low seat height and forward-set foot pegs make the Rebel 1100 incredibly comfortable. Whether you're riding for a few hours or embarking on a full-day journey, the suspension has been tuned to offer the perfect balance of comfort and handling, ensuring a smooth ride even on bumpy roads. The ergonomics are designed for relaxed, long-distance cruising without compromising on agility when navigating tight corners or city streets. Safety and features. Honda continues to prioritize safety in the 2025 Rebel 1100. Standard features include a dual-disc front brake system with ABS for maximum stopping power. The Rebel 1100 also comes with a new TFT display that provides essential riding information like speed, fuel levels, and gear indicator, along with an integrated Bluetooth system for hands-free connectivity. Conclusion. The 2025 Honda Rebel 1100 is an impressive cruiser that combines style, power, and modern technology into one remarkable package. Whether you're looking for an urban commuter or a long-distance touring bike, the Rebel 1100 can do it all. With its reliable performance and iconic design, it's no wonder why Honda's Rebel series continues to be a favorite among riders. For more updates and reviews on the latest motorcycles, be sure to subscribe to MA Autos. Stay safe, ride smart, and let the adventure begin.